Imagine cruising through the mountains, by the ocean, or into the heart of the wilderness, all in total silence. No rumble of a gas engine, no exhaust fumes, just clean electric power and the thrill of knowing your entire house is right there with you. This is not a dream. It's the 2025 electric RV camper, where freedom meets the future. At first glance, it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, sleek, aerodynamic, and futuristic. But it's not just about looks. This electric RV has been built from the ground up to change everything we thought we knew about road trips. No more noisy generators, no more gas stops, no more limits. It's just you, the road, and an RV powered entirely by clean energy. Now, imagine stepping inside. The moment the door opens, soft LED lighting welcomes you. The interior? A luxury apartment on wheels. Recycled wood finishes, solar-tinted panoramic windows, and a full smart control panel that lets you adjust lighting, temperature, and even security right from your phone, or even voice command. It's not just smart, it's genius. And the space? Oh, it's perfectly designed. A foldable queen-sized bed, a compact kitchenette with an induction cooktop, a refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso machine, because mornings on the road should be perfect. The dining area transforms into a workspace if you're a digital nomad, and the couch converts into an extra sleeping space for guests or kids. It's comfort without compromise. And we haven't even talked about the bathroom yet. That's right, no tiny RV bathroom nightmares here. You get a full standing shower with heated water, a flushing eco-toilet, and even a small vanity mirror with built-in LED lighting. Think high-end hotel vibes, but rolling wherever you want to go. Now let's talk range, because we know that's what you're wondering. Thanks to its cutting-edge battery technology, the 2025 electric RV can travel up to 400 miles on a single charge. And with its integrated solar panels on the roof and fold-out side wings, you can extend that range when you're off-grid. The best part? While you relax or cook lunch, your RV is charging itself. No cables, no stress, just freedom. Charging stations? They've got you covered. The RV's built-in system maps your route and shows all the high-speed EV chargers along the way. You can go from 20% to 80% in under 45 minutes. That's just enough time to grab a coffee, stretch your legs, or snap some epic photos for Instagram. Speaking of tech, wait till you hear about the cockpit. A massive touchscreen display gives you real-time energy stats, traffic updates, weather, and more. The AI driving assist can help you park, avoid collisions, or even suggest scenic detours you didn't know you needed. It's like having a co-pilot who never complains. But what really sets this RV apart? It's more than just transportation, it's a movement. It's about sustainable travel. About taking care of the planet while enjoying it. About saying goodbye to fuel costs, maintenance hassles, and old-school living. And yes, it's whisper quiet, so you can finally sleep under the stars without hearing an engine hum all night long. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a year-long journey, the 2025 electric RV camper is your ticket to explore without limits.